Hi everybody, my name is Kym P. I live in Cardston, Alberta, Canada, home of the beautiful Cardston Temple, which I can actually see right outside my bedroom window. I took this picture you see here one foggy night, and it is just a beautiful sight to behold. I am the mom of 8 beautiful children, ranging from 15 months old to 14 years old. My first 5 children are boys, and the oldest 2 are just getting to the stage where girls are interested in what they're doing, and they are very interested in what girls are doing as well. After my 5 boys, I have a 5-year-old girl, and then a 3-year-old boy, and then a 15-month-old little daughter. Here's another picture of us in the gorgeous Waterton, which is just a half-hour drive from our home. That's Cameron Falls you see behind us. So we've got my husband Bill on the left, and then Liam, our oldest, then Ezra, Mosiah, Obadiah, Hiram, Rosina, Jedi, and Ellie. So the reason I look so fabulous tonight with my gorgeous updo is because I have just come home from the play Brigadoon, where I am casted as one of the townspeople. Yes, that is my official title, townspeople. I'm lucky because my oldest 2 boys and my husband are also casted in the play. My boys share my title of townspeople, and my husband is Andrew McLaren, the beloved father of the 2 main characters, Fiona and Jean. This course is the one I have been dreading since I learned about it. I've heard it's really hard with proctored exams and the like, so I have been steering clear. But this semester, I finally have to bite the bullet and get it over with. Now that I've entered the virtual classroom, however, I'm really realizing that it probably won't be that bad. I'm actually excited to learn and share the content. I hope to continue on after graduation in a few semesters and use the knowledge I get from this class and other classes to get a master's degree in marriage and family counseling and then become a marriage and family counselor. Since I started my journey as a university student back in 2013 in the Pathway program, I have seen an ever-increasing problem in couples I know and their marriages. I believe that the path I'm taking is lit by my Heavenly Father and that He is aiding me in accomplishing the things that He would have me do. I look forward to a lovely semester with you all, and I know if we work hard together that we can get through PSYCH. Good luck.